Hi, I'm Dave Rashty, chef owner of Bellamy Italian Cafe located in Naples, Florida, and this is Flavored by Flame. Okay, so today we're gonna make a tagliatelle pasta with a mushroom cream sauce. The pasta recipe is relatively easy to make. You wind up with something like this. The process that I'm doing now is just sheeting pasta. And you don't wanna go too thin. I usually go about 7 on a KitchenAid. If you go any more than that, the pasta will rip. Now we're gonna go and cut. Kinda wanna just let it hang. And that's it, and your pasta is ready to go. We're gonna add some olive oil to the pan. We're gonna add some shallots, garlic, and some chili flake. Saute that up a little bit, about a medium heat. Give that a minute or two. Then we're gonna start adding our tomatoes, our mushroom. So we're using a blend of shiitake, golden oyster mushrooms, and regular king oyster mushrooms. You could pretty much use any type of mushroom you like. Cooking with gas is pretty awesome. The water heats up very quickly. So once we've sauteed our ingredients, we're gonna add like 2-3 tablespoons of wine. We're gonna cook that down a little bit, and we're gonna also add some mascarpone. Mascarpone is kind of like Italian cream cheese. So we're gonna try to mix that up a little bit. It's very important that it doesn't get too hot, so you wanna keep it at a lower temperature at this point. So now we're ready to go with the pasta. So we're gonna drop our pasta into the water. You just wanna stir in the first minute so that your pasta does not stick together. Fresh pasta, as we're doing here, your cook time is a lot less. So you want the last 2 minutes for that pasta to really absorb that sauce that you're making. As we take the pasta out, we're also gonna get some of the pasta water into the sauce as well. And that's also gonna help emulsify the mascarpone. It'll help cook that. And then you're also gonna add cheese at the very end. Once you add the cheese, your sauce is gonna thicken up. So you got a nice creamy pasta. This is a blend of pecorino and Parmesan. So what you're looking for on the pasta is kind of like if you've ever had Alfredo. So it's not dry, it's not too runny, it's that perfect creamy consistency. So a little extra pasta water into the sauce works really well. Then we're gonna throw in a little bit of torn basil. You don't wanna add it too early. You just want it in there maybe for 30 seconds before you're ready to plate, and then you're done. There's a really nice creamy consistency to this dish, and this looks absolutely amazing. You can garnish with a little extra cheese on the top, and you can also add a little micro basil, and there you have it. That's tagliatelle pasta with a mushroom cream sauce. Enjoy.